G'day guys, Luke Stevens from Port Shipping Containers, and today we're talking shipping container workshop. The one behind me is one of our most popular designs, the 20-foot full side opener. Come on, let's have a look around. This particular design, as I said, is one of our most popular. Now, normally I would build this one out of a 20-foot high cube side open container, but this particular site where this one's going to, we can't have that height. So I've built it out of a standard height unit, and it still gives us plenty of overhead space. Now, I've been told that this unit will be used to service and maintain drones. That's pretty awesome. Now, when we build these workshops, we approach steel span to provide us with these unbelievable systems. Now, above the workbench, you'll see these overhead cabinets. These are hydraulically powered and fully lockable. And underneath the workbench, you'll see a massive amount of drawers that are not only fully lockable, but different sizes to house all your equipment. No workbench can be complete without plenty of power options. We've put 3 double power points across the back wall, and the stainless steel pin board comes with hooks and baskets to store additional equipment at a hand's reach. This particular option might not be needed for your particular build, but for this one they will be housing dangerous goods, petrols, oils, lubricants, and they do need to be housed correctly. So we installed a Class 3 dangerous goods cabinet, as well as plenty of signage and the appropriate fire extinguishers at arm's reach, just in case. Now, you may not have noticed, but we were able to sneak in a small, heavy-duty shelf above the whole system. Now, we've put a nice little 30mm lip on here so nothing rolls off. And it's going to be the perfect little spot for our client to be able to house all the drones overhead and out of the way. Now, being a 20-foot side opening container, you've still got your standard doors down one end. Now, we've left those doors fully operable. It means that we've got the ability to be able to close these big side opening containers and still access our workshop through the standard doors. Now, you'll see also that we've fully insulated this unit with a 50mm thick EPS panel. This is going to be really great for just keeping a really comfortable temperature internally, as well as something really clean to wipe the walls over at the end of the day. Another optional accessory could be a split system aircon. Plenty of room to house one of these in here and would keep this container really cool, especially if you're going to hotter climates. These workshops have to be built tough. If it's defence, if it's mining or construction, there's no excuse. They have to last. We use 4 coats of epoxy flooring down over these decks, as well as installing these heavy-duty tie-down points throughout the whole floor of this container. So it gives us the ability to be able to load and lash down bulky goods and potentially move this from site to site. One of the unique features inside this build is the dual lighting system. Now, you've got your LED normal lights for regular use, but you've also got red lighting for nighttime use. Guys, we've got dozens of different workshop designs available for our clients for their very specific need. We love working closely with our clients to develop products just like this. If you've got a project in mind similar to this or something completely different, make sure you reach out to us today. We've got you covered. And subscribe for some more great videos. See you next time.